Jakom komiti mar od bura mochung' rango weche omenda Kimani Kuria okonegi chako kawo paro oganda e pamor chik mar omenda 2024-2025. Kimani wacho ni nyaka sani giseyudo paro mag jopiny maromo 380 monywando 200 mochung' e yor mbui to maromo 180 e yor achweng'. Walter Nyambaga ntiere kod mathoth.
Komiti od bura mochung' rango weche mag omenda ni jo Kenya kokalo mbui osejolo pach mar omenda 2024-2025 manyalo romo 200 e yor mbui to kod maromo 180 mochwala achweng' kokalo apisi margi.
We've received approximately 218 as at this morning, and we expect to receive a lot more submissions by the close of business tomorrow when the deadline closes for receiving the views of the public on public participation on the Finance Bill 24. So we have lined up the ones that are actually written said they would also want to make written submissions to the committee. We have 88 of them, which will start now from tomorrow, going on for the next 14 days. Every proposal has an impact on a particular sector. So when you say you're introducing eco levy on diapers and sanitary towels, there are already players in that sector. When there is a proposal on bread, for example, there are already players in that particular sector. So the players and the sectors have organized themselves as sectors. And now we're hearing from them.
Kimani Kuria yango ni komiti no ne otisi kod mach ewi kawo pach jopiny e chik mar omenda mokalo mane mulo suru mag udi gino magikoni wang'ni nyaka gilure kod chike to kod dwach jopiny e loso weche mag omenda mag osuru.
I want to assure you that we are approaching this exercise with a very open mind and saying this is the proposals you've received from the National Treasury. This is what are saying. What are the merits? And we're going to weigh the options. And I want to really tell Kenyans to relax. That this national plan will make the best decision for this country. Has to be access in futility. This is not just for the ticket. Views will be had and they will be incorporated in our report.
Mageti mabusi ukiwa mutata. Nyuto gedo kwa wachuni odbura ringo kod wachno kagimilawe katodo konigirem kod katiba. Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.
Ripona mokeno kod Nyambaga teruwa hiyo mkuru chenye mara